Okay, students, next discussion, part 2, chapter 4th, part 2, Animal Kingdom, object to NEET CET bits discussion. In this one, the first 31st question, that is, echinodermates are considered as the first deuterostomic animals. Deuterostomic animals. They possess which of the following common characters? Echinodermids are considered as the first deuterostomic animals. What? So deuterostomic animals means in these kind of animals, the anus is first formed before the formation of mouth. So such kind of animals are called deuterostomic animals. They possess which of the following common characters? Okay, that's all. So that means what? Echinodermids possesses what are the characters among these four? The first one, the adult echinoderms are radially symmetry. Radially symmetrical means what? The body can be divided into two equal halves, but larvae are bilaterally symmetrical. But larva in echinodermids, larva is bilaterally symmetrical. Adults are radially symmetrical. So the option 1 is correct option. Let's see option 2. Excretory system is absent. That only I am saying. Deuterostomic animals character what? So mouth is not present. Sorry, excretory system is not present. Okay, specific excretory system is not present. So anus is formed before the formation of mouth. So the anus only, according to the situation, acts as a mouth and anus. So this is excretory. This property is common in deuterostomic animals. So excretory system is absent. Second option also correct. Let's see third option. Development is indirect with the free swimming larva. So the development is indirect. That means what? Egg gives larva, larva gives gradually young ones. So third option is correct. So three options are correct. Therefore, the correct option is all of the above. Fourth option. So all of the above. All of the above. All of the above. So fourth option is correct option. Okay, that's all. Next question. In this one, phylum Arthropoda considered as the largest phylum among the kingdom Animalia. Yes, so Arthropoda is the largest phylum among all the phylums, all the kingdoms, all the phylums. Okay, they possesses which of the following common characters? So Arthropoda possesses which of the following characters? So here if you will see, they have jointed appendages. Okay, so they possesses which of the following common characters? Okay, so they have jointed appendages. Yes, arthropods have jointed legs. Open blood circulation. So blood circulation is open type of circulatory system. From the heart, blood is directly pumped into the sinuses. So this is also correct. First option is correct. Second option is correct. Let's see third option. Both 1 and 2. Yes, third option is correct. So both 1 and 2 correct. Let's see the fourth option. Third option also correct. Fourth option, excretion takes place through flame cells. So actually in arthropods, flame cells are not present. So in arthropods, the excretory organs are expelled out through Malpighian body. Therefore, among the fourth options, the correct option, so third option is correct option. Third, for this question, third option is correct option. Next bit, fasciola. So it is fasciola means what? Parasite in the liver of sheeps. Fasciola. It is a parasite. So Taenia solium, it is a parasite in the members of phylum Platyhelminthes. Okay, it is in sheep. It is generally, so Taenia solium is located in pigs. Taenia saginata is located in cows. So these two are the members of phylum Platyhelminthes. These are belongs to the phylum Platyhelminthes. those are bearing which of the following characters? Which of the following characters? Let's see. So generally, these two belongs to the platyhelminthes. The platyhelminthes shows organ level of organization. So they have well-developed organs. Those organs performs various kinds of functions. Flame cells help in osmoregulation and excretion. Yes, platyhelminthes consists of flame cells. Flame cells. So these are bulb-like structures which are located in the platyhelminthes body. So which helps in maintenance of osmoregulation. Osmoregulation means what? Fluids balance, and also helps in excretion. Okay, that's all. Next, second option also correct. Let's see third. They have dorso-ventrally flattened body. Yes, the dorsal means what? Upper surface. Ventrally means what? Lower surface. So both the surfaces are flattened body. So third option also correct. So here among four options, three options are correct. So fourth option they have given all of the above. So that for this question 33 question, correct option is 4. Thirty-fourth question. The biological name of animals and their popular common names are given below. Select the correctly matched among following. See here. So Encyclostoma. Encyclostoma. It is hookworm. Correct. It is hookworm. Encyclostoma. It is also called hookworm. Okay. That's all. Next, octopus. So octopus. It is squid given. Actually, octopus is brittle. Octopus is called brittle star. It is also called Ophiothrix. But they have given another one. So it is wrong option. Antedon. Antedon. So Antedon, brittle star given. Okay, brittle star given. So it is also wrong option. Antedon is not correctly matched with brittle star. Okay, so that it is wrong option. Laxifer, it is also not correctly matched with locust. So these three are wrong options. Wrong options. Okay, so that the correct option is Encyclostoma hookworm. Hookworm. So the first option is correct option. See, the members of phylum Aschelminthes are called roundworms. Yes, roundworms. So having numerous distinguishable characters, but which of the following cannot be considered as their character? Here four characters were there. Among these, which one is not considered as a character of Aschelminthes? So these are pseudocoelomate animals. So these are pseudocoelomate animals. Yes. So actually these are not pseudocoelomate animals. Okay. So it is wrong option. Pseudocoelomate animals. It is pseudocoelomate animals. It is wrong option. They are bilaterally symmetrical. Actually, they are not bilaterally symmetrical. Okay, radially symmetrical. So third one is organ system level of organization. It is also wrong. They don't show organ system level of organization. So next, roundworms are monoecious. Yes, it is the correct option. So Aschelminthes in this one roundworm. These roundworms are monoecious. Monoecious. Monoecious character is not considered as their character. Actually, roundworms are dioecious. Dioecious means what? Unisexual. Unisexual. Therefore, 35th question, the correct option is fourth. According to the options, wrong one is, according to the options, the correct option is fourth option. Next question, 36th question. See, members of phylum Annelida and Arthropoda show metamerism and have lot of common features. What are those features? See, so Annelida Arthropoda are solid, double ventral nerve cord. Annelids and arthropods anteriorly they contains like this way double ventral nerve cord, double ventral nerve cord, like this way, double ventral nerve cord is present. It has number of pairs of ganglia. So these ganglia are attached to various segments of the arthropods and annelids. So it is correct. Schizocoelomate. Schizocoelomate. Actually, annelids and arthropods are schizocoelomate. So here, schizocoelomate. Schizocoelomate means it develops by splitting up of mesoderm. Generally, schizocoelomate. These animals possesses schizocoelomate. Schizocoelomate develops by splitting of mesoderm. Splitting of mesoderm. It is found in annelids. Splitting of mesoderm. When the mesoderm is split, at the time it will be formed. That kind of development is called schizocoelom. Schizocoelom. It is commonly found in annelids and annelids, arthropods, and molluscs also. Okay, so when the mesoderm is splitting, at that time a kind of a coelomate is formed. That is called schizocoelomate. So second option is correct. Third, 1 and 2 correct. Open blood circulation. It is wrong option. Among 4 options, so first and 2 options are correct. So that third option, okay, third, the correct option is third. Third one is correct option. (37). See here, the body cavity which is lined by mesoderm is called coelom. The body cavity which is lined by mesoderm is called coelom. See here, the body cavity which is lined by mesoderm is called, generally in between outer derm and mesoderm there is a cavity that is called coelom. If the mesoderm is present as scattered pouches, see in between ectoderm, it is ectoderm, it is endoderm, it is mesoderm. So if the mesoderm is present as scattered pouches, it is scattered pouches, like this way, scattered bag-like structures. That is called mesoderm, scattered pouch-like structures. In between the ectoderm and endoderm, such a body cavity is called pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom. So select the pseudocoelomate phylum. See, annelids does not, arthropods does not, echinodermata is not. So Aschelminthis possesses pseudocoelom. So 37th question, correct option is fourth. See here, 38th question. Apis, Bombax, Laxifer, Anopheles are members of phylum Arthropods. These are all insects. Select the characters. Those are exclusively to the members of phylum Arthropoda. See, they have jointed appendages. Yes, generally Arthropoda phylum organisms have jointed appendages, like this way, jointed appendages, like this, jointed appendages. It is correct. Excretion takes place through the Malpighian tubules. Yes. So in arthropods, the excreted substances are expelled out through collected by Malpighian tubules and bring those excreted substances to the anal region. So second option is correct. So both 1 and 2. So the correct option is third. Both 1 and 2 is correct. So this question, third option is correct. Let us see enterocoelomic animals. Actually, this character is not possessed by these arthropods. So that correct option for this question is third option. Distinguished character of hemichordata. Differentiating character of hemichordata. So generally here, open circulatory system. Yes, hemichordates possesses open circulatory system. Excretory organ is proboscis gland. Proboscis gland. Here, proboscis gland means it is an elongated. It is an elongated appendage. It is an elongated appendage from the head of an animal, either a vertebrate or an invertebrates, either a vertebrate or non-vertebrates. Non-vertebrates possesses elongated structure. That elongated structure, okay, so that is called proboscis gland. Okay, next, they are dioecious. Dioecious means what? Hemichordates are unisexual. Sexes are separate. So 3 options were correct here. 4th option is, according to the question, 4th option is correct. All of the above. Okay, 39th question, correct option is 4th. All of the above. Next, 40th question. Here, if you will see 40th question, see, select the distinguishable characters of echinodermates and hemichordates. Echinodermates and hemichordates. See, these animals have endoskeleton. Hemichordates and echinodermates both have endoskeleton. Their endoskeleton is made up of by calcium carbonate. Therefore, it is called calcareous ossicles. It is correct option. Next, they have water vascular system. Water vascular system. See, inside there is a special canal is there. Special canal system is there. Through that canal system, water is supplied. So, water vascular system. Okay, next, the adult echinoderms are radially symmetrical. The adult echinodermates are radially symmetry. Larva is bilaterally symmetrical. So adult echinodermates possesses radially symmetrical characters. So it is correct. So among the 4 options, the correct option is all of the above. All of the above. 14th question, correct option, that is 4th. All of the above. All of the above. See here, an observer collect the samples like Peritima, earthworm, Hirudinarian, leech, bombax, silkworm. Okay, from these 3, collect the samples. An observer collect the samples from these 3. Select the common characters among them. So in all these, some common characters you select. Okay, so see here, ventral nerve cord. So these organisms have ventral side, they had nerve cord, nervous system, and also show metamerism. So externally and internally their body is differentiated into segmented. Second option is correct. Okay, so third option is correct. First and second correct. So that here third option is correct option. First and second is correct. So third option is third option is correct. Okay, that's all. So these are belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. So Bombax. Okay, that's all. So select the common characters. See, these 3 have these 2 common characters. Okay, that's all. Generally, arthropods have, in arthropods, some organisms have open circulatory system, but here question is common characters. These 2 are common characters in these 3. Okay, so but here see here, Peritima, it is earthworm. Leech, it is also worm. Bombax, it is insect. So in these 2, closed circulatory system is there. In this one, open circulatory system is there. So that it is 4th option is wrong option. The correct option is 3rd. Which of the following may be considered as the unique feature of members of phylum Arthropoda? Here some features are unique features of Members of phylum Arthropoda. Those are, see, they have ventral nerve cord. Yes, arthropods have ventral side nerve cord. They have open circulatory system. Arthropods always have open circulatory system. Example, cockroach. They have jointed appendages. They have jointed. Arthropods consist of jointed legs. So that's all. Development may be direct or indirect. Here, little correction. See here, they have double ventral nerve cord. So it is wrong option. They have open circulatory system. See, which of the following may be considered as the unique feature of the members of phylum Arthropod? They have asked unique feature. Okay, so they have open circulatory system. It is not a unique feature of the arthropod. Unique means what? Only that character should possessed by that particular arthropoda. So open circulatory system, here ventral nerve cord are possessed by other organisms also. So that these two options wrong. So it is correct. Only arthropods contains unique feature jointed legs. So development may be direct or indirect. This is not a unique feature. This characteristic is possessed by other organisms also. So that among these four options, the correct option is third. 42 question, correct option is third. See here, Nereis and Peritima are similar to sepia and octopus. In which of the following features? Nereis, Peritima, these two are similar to sepia and octopus. In which of the following features? In which of the following features? See, dorsal nerve cord. Actually, dorsal nerve cord is not located in octopus. They are dioecious. It is also dioecious. Those are not unisexual. So both 1 and 2, it is wrong option. 1 and 2 option is wrong. So then ultimately fourth option is correct. So Nereis Peritima possesses closed circulatory system. So that is similar to the sepia and octopus. These two also possesses closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system means what? The blood is pumped from heart to various body parts through blood vessels. Okay. So that the 43 question, correct option is fourth option. Next, 44 question. In which of the following organisms respiratory organs are correctly matched? So here four options given. Respiratory organs are correctly matched. In which of them? See here, starfish, pharyngeal gill slits. Actually, starfish does not have pharyngeal gill slits. So it is wrong option. King crab. So crab, it is belongs to the phylum arthropods. Generally, arthropods possesses book-shaped gills. Okay, it is correct. Let's see remaining. Cuttlefish. It is sepia. Cuttlefish is also called sepia fish. So it does not have book lungs. Okay, it has gills for respiration. So it is wrong. Earthworm. In earthworm also tracheal system is wrong. Earthworm consists of moist skin. So that here among these four options, the correct option is second option. Second option shows gills for respiration. King crab, it is a cancer, Arthropoda phylum. Crab scientific name is cancer. Which one of the, next question, 45 question, which one of the following statements is correct? Either Physalia or Phyla or both. So here see, if we will see which character is correct related to Physalia, Phyla or both. See here, 45 question, they have organ system level of organization. So actually, so these are belongs to the phylum Physalia or Phyla or both. So these Physalia belongs to the phylum Coelenterata. Physalia, Portuguese man of war. Yes. Phyla, it belongs to the phylum Mollusca. So which one of the following statement is correct? Either for to these, which character is correct? See here, they have organ system level of organization. So it is wrong. They don't have organ system, tissue level of organization. They are bilaterally symmetrical. Actually, they are not bilaterally symmetrical. Okay, so radially symmetrical. So second option is wrong. Third one, So pila has rasping organ for feeding, that is called radula. Yes, this character is common in both. So pila has a rasping organ. This rasping organ is called radula. Radula. This radula has like this way lines, rough surface. With the help of these rough surfaces, these organisms scrap the food materials and swallow. So this is correct option. Let's see, pila is also called freshwater mussel. So actually, pila is not called freshwater mussel. Okay, that's all. So that it is the wrong option. Okay, so it is lives in mud areas. So the correct option for 45 question 3. Okay, so third option is correct. Next bit, which one of the following statements about certain given animals is correct? See here, correct. See, octopus shows metamerism. See, octopus shows metamerism. Octopus never show metamerism. Okay, flatworms are pseudocoelomates. Flatworms are not pseudocoelomates, acoelomates. So it is wrong option, flatworms. Okay, so that's next. Acoelomates. Okay, that's all. Insects are coelomates. Insects means arthropods. Arthropods are coelomates. Okay, so these are actually acoelomates, but they given a pseudocoelomates. Okay, that's all. So that this is correct. Let's see, fourth, adult echinoderms are bilaterally symmetrical. It is wrong. Okay, radially symmetrical. Okay, larva is bilaterally symmetrical. So it is wrong. Among these four options for 46th question, the correct option is 3. Third option is correct. Which one of the following animals deuterostomic and radially symmetrical? So deuterostomic and radially symmetrical. Deuterostomic means what? Anus is formed quite earlier than mouth and radially symmetrical. So see here, see 47 question. Pink tada, it is not correct according to the question. So peritima, actually peritima is not deuterostomic animal. Tinoplana, it is also not deuterostomic animal. So here it is Astris. Asterias, it is starfish. Starfish scientific name is Asterias, starfish. Starfish. So the starfish phylum belongs to echinodermates. Echinodermates. Astrias, starfish. Okay, that's it. Next 48 question. Which one of the following group of animals is schizocoelomate and triloblastic? Schizocoelomate means what? So already we discussed schizocoelomate animals are developed by splitting up of mesoderm. Mesoderm is split and the schizocoelomate is formed. It is found in annelids, arthropods, and molluscus. Okay, 48th question already. Triploblastic and schizocoelomates are formed in molluscans. This character is possessed in molluscus. Okay, roundworms is wrong, echinoderms are wrong, flatworms are wrong. Schizocoelomate means what? It develops by splitting off mesoderm. It is found in annelids, arthropods, and molluscus. So here option given molluscus. In molluscus, schizocoelomate character and a triploblastic character is observed. So that 40th question, correct option is 4th. Next question, 49 question. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of phylum Mollusca? Okay, phylum Mollusca. So here 4 characters are there. Those are the not characteristics of Mollusca. So coelomates, actually coelomates, molluscus are not coelomates. Okay, so they possesses acoelomates. They are generally molluscus acoelomates. So option wrong. One is wrong. Two, segmentation is not a characteristic of phylum Mollusca. Okay, what not a characteristic of Mollusca? See here a little correction we have to see. Not a characteristic feature of mollusca. So generally mollusca organisms are coelomate animals. They possess a coelom. Okay, so actually they cannot possess a segmentation. Segmentation is possessed by arthropods, sorry, annelids, earthworm. These organisms are not possesses coelomate, sorry, segmentation. So second option is wrong. Mantle. So generally mollusca consists of mantle. Mantle means what? It is a covering around their body. Shell. Okay, shell. So outside body is called shell or mantle, that is made up of by calcium carbonate. So according to the question, the correct option is second option is correct. See, which one of the following phyla is correctly matched with its general characteristics? Here four options are there. Which phyla is correctly matched with its general characteristics? So Porifera. See 50th question. Which one of the following phyla is correctly matched with its general characteristics? Porifera, cellular level of organization and external fertilization. It is wrong. They will show internal fertilization. So option one is not matched. Coelenterata, diploblastic and internal fertilization. These will show external fertilization. So coelenterate, these are triploblastic organisms. So it is also wrong. Aschelminthes. They are pseudocoelomates and a dioecious, unisexual. Dioecious means what? Unisexual organisms. Okay, that's all. So third is general, it is matched with that. So it is correct. Next, the fourth one. So hemichordata, coelomates and closed circulate. So those are coelomates, okay, but closed circulatory system not. Open circulatory, hemichordates possesses open circulatory system. So among these four options, the correct option for 50th question is third. Okay, students, with this animal kingdom bits finished. So actually many more bits are there. Those many of bits in this crisis we cannot discuss. So that few bits only I kept discussion. Remaining you have to read from your textbook. Thank you.